Oh yeah, sexy lady. I don't remember you though last night. Sexy lady. Oh yeah.
โอ้ยไหน
Alright, I go there. I will go there now after I drink. Alright? I'll be there. Alright. Gotta find my Red Bull, man. Nice outfit, buddy. thought this was Soi 15. Someone told me that. You know.
You want to buy 50?
Yeah, I thought this was Soi 15.
You ask?
Yeah, I'm a little bit now, you know, a little bit drunk.
I drunk.
Yeah, a little bit drunk, you know. I got confused. A little bit confused. I've been here so many times, but you know.
You here so many times, you know.
But I forget, you know. I forget. I only remember when you know, motorcycle taxis take. I say motorcycle taxi, take me Soi 15. He take me, but you know, I never can go alone, you know. Can I go this way? Can I go this way or can I go that way? I can go walk this way?
But then you cannot here.
Oh, I cannot. But I have to go this way. All right, thank you. Cup and cup. All right. We're going to Soi 15. Look at these two guys. A little bit shaky, sorry boys. Soi 15, that way? That way?
70 North.
Soi 15.
I don't know.
Maybe that way, yeah? Yeah, I think it's over here. Soi Diamond right there. I see the Soi Diamond sign. I feel stupid right now. A little bit drunk. That's what happens. Well, hello. You know where Soi 15 is? Soi 15? Soi 15?
Soi 15.
Yeah.
You can look this.
Where's Soi 15? I know that's Soi Diamond right there. Where's Soi 15? Soi 15? Is it over there? Fine, where you go? I think this is Soi Diamond. Oh, next one. Oh my god. I thought it was over there. Where you go? Hello. You drink mama, guy. You gonna have fun with that, huh? Oh, you're a sexy lady, huh? Yeah. Alright, Soi 15. Go. There we go. Now we go Soi 15. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Soi 15, man. Got What's Up a Go-Go right here. It's one of the supreme go-go bars in Pattaya. Up ahead, this is Dollhouse. Fucking awesome. It's a great go-go bar. Sure, look at Dollhouse. Wasn't that great tonight? But this place here is really good. It's a little bit expensive, but you know, got some really a lot of sexy ladies in this bar here. One of the best, and it's open late, open till like 4:30. And imagine What's Up is like a neighbor of What's Up. Same owner, expensive as well, but good lineup of ladies. Let's check it out. Got Saffire, we got Club Misties. Club Misties, good go-go bar as well. Saffire is one of the premier go-go bars in Pattaya, one of the best. A lot of sexy ladies, good looking ladies. A lot of good shows. You know what? I'm gonna go check out Misty's and then check out Saffire. See you in a bit. Just came out of Saffire Go. Fucking great. A lot of beautiful ladies, friendly. You know what? I got a Piper's 100 soda, 110 baht. You know what? Cheaper than any go-go bar I went to tonight. Cheaper than any go-go bar in Soi Buakhao. I was very surprised. 110 baht for a Piper's 100 soda. That is a phenomenal deal. That's the best deal so far out of all the go-go bars. Very surprising. Saffire Go is like, you know, one of the premier go-go bars in Pattaya. A lot of beautiful, sexy ladies, friendly. Unbelievable. Check it out. Saffire Go. You won't be disappointed. There's a shark, a go-go. You know what? I'm gonna go check it out. This is Soi 15. Let's check it out.